Welcome to Streamtek Corp. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into innovative pneumatic solutions. Today, we're diving deep into our Vortex tubes, a game changer in industrial cooling and heating. Our Vortex tubes take ordinary compressed air and split it into two streams, one hot and one cold. This remarkable pneumatic device needs no electricity, no refrigerants, and no additional gases, and best of all, it has zero moving parts. Compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand for smaller models, it's incredibly easy to integrate into a wide range of industrial applications. Streamtek Vortex tubes are perfect for instant spot cooling, delivering up to 10,800 BTU of cooling capacity and temperature drops as low as -50 degrees Celsius. That's a drop of up to 79 degrees Celsius from inlet temperature. But they're not just for cooling, they can heat too. With a simple adjustment screw, you control the cold air fraction to suit your needs, making them versatile for both cooling and heating tasks. So, how does a Streamtek Vortex tube actually work? Let's break it down step by step. Connect your compressed air line to the Vortex tube via a standard male NPT thread inlet. Compressed air enters and is directed into the Vortex chamber by the generator, creating a high-speed spinning motion. Inside the chamber, the air spins at incredible speeds, up to 1,000,000 RPM. This centrifugal force separates the air based on density. Hotter, less dense air moves to the outer edges, while cooler, denser air stays in the center. The hot air exits through the hot end, and the cold air through the cold end at opposite sides of the tube. Fine-tune your output with the adjustment screw on the hot end. Turn it counterclockwise to release more hot air. This reduces cold air volume but drops its temperature even further for maximum cooling. Turn it clockwise for more cold air volume, though with a slightly higher cold end temperature. Our Vortex tubes operate quietly, with noise levels varying by CFM rating. For instance, a 15 CFM model runs at about 69 decibels. To make it even quieter, add our optional cold end muffler for up to 12 decibels reduction, or a hot end muffler for an extra 5 decibels drop. Streamtek offers Vortex tubes in durable aluminum or stainless steel, with CFM capacities from 2 to 150. Our small models handle 2 to 8 CFM for precise tasks, medium ones 10 to 40 CFM for everyday needs, and large ones 50 to 150 CFM for heavy-duty applications. Need to switch capacities? Our optional generators let you adjust from, say, 15 CFM for light cooling to 40 CFM for max power, all with a quick nut turn. Whether you're cooling electronics, drying parts, or heating enclosures, Streamtek Vortex tubes deliver reliable performance. For more details or to chat about your specific application, head to our website at www.stream-tek.com or give us a call at 1-705-770-4455. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.